Thinking about a task drains energy. When a task exists only in your mind, it grows heavier with every passing moment. You replay it endlessly, imagine potential problems, and anticipate obstacles that may never appear. You visualize outcomes, both good and bad, and this mental simulation consumes energy quietly but consistently. Worry and hesitation silently sap your strength, making even small tasks feel overwhelming. But action restores energy in ways thinking never can. When you begin a task, even briefly, the weight begins to lift. Movement transforms tension into motion. The mental friction created by unfinished intention starts to dissolve. As you act, you replace speculation with experience, anxiety with engagement, and pressure with relief. Even 5 minutes of focused effort is enough to break the inertia that has been holding your mind captive. This is because the brain is wired to respond to action. Motivation often follows movement, not precedes it. When you start, your neural circuits recognize accomplishment and release a subtle surge of energy, confidence, and clarity. You no longer feel trapped by indecision. Instead, you experience a sense of progress, however small. Each action, no matter how brief, is a signal that you are moving forward, and that signal restores mental clarity and vitality. Action resolves internal conflict. When tasks remain only in thought, they exist as unresolved tension, silently draining your resources. Acting on them converts the tension into tangible results. You may not complete the task fully, but even partial completion creates relief. Your mind feels lighter because the invisible weight has shifted into motion. The mental exhaustion caused by avoidance begins to fade. Moreover, small acts of progress build momentum. 5 minutes of cleaning, writing, or planning may seem insignificant, but the very act of starting changes your perception. The task feels smaller, the fear diminishes, and your brain recognizes that challenges are manageable. In this way, movement becomes a feedback loop. Action restores energy, which fuels further action. Over time, consistently choosing action over hesitation rewires your mental habits. You stop fearing the beginning because you know starting leads to energy, clarity, and accomplishment. The mind learns that beginning is not a drain, but a recharge. Energy does not come from avoiding work, it comes from engaging with it. The simple act of doing, even briefly, is more energizing than hours of planning or worrying. When you act, you reclaim focus, release tension, and restore strength. In essence, movement is the antidote to mental fatigue. The lesson is clear: thinking creates weight, but action lightens it. Begin, even for 5 minutes. Begin, even when you feel drained. Begin, and watch the energy return naturally.